Stop waiting for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra announcement because Samsung already gave it away. While we are all looking for vendors, a boring looking certification in China and a silent product launch on Samsung's own store just confirmed the three things fans has been begging for. A 60-watt charging is real, satellite tech is logged in, and the Ultra, as we know it, is about to look a little different. So guys, as you know that when the final product has been finished, it has to pass through certain certifications. And one of the certification which Samsung S26 series has passed is the China 3C certification. And this certification has confirmed a few things. One of them is going to be the direct satellite connectivity, which is back and it's going to be even better than before. We're talking about emergency messaging and location sharing even when you are away from cell tower. Now, the second one, which is going to be one of the biggest one, and I personally love it if it's true, is the 60-watt fast charging. Yes, Samsung is finally going to be giving a 60-watt fast charging into the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra device, which is pretty much great because the competitor right now in the Android world are giving 100-watt of fast charging. As much I'm happy about the 60-watt fast charging is going to be coming for the S26 Ultra, there is a catch right now. The battery size is going to be staying the same at 5000 mAh, which is going to be clearly Samsung betting on efficiency rather than fast top up. Now to back it up, a brand new 60-watt super fast charging adapter just appeared on Samsung official website in Europe. Here's the thing, no current Samsung phone can actually use it. It's built on new USB PD 3.1 standards and it's clearly just sitting there waiting for the S26 Ultra to launch. Now, while the specs are looking great, the design is stirring up to a massive debate. For the first time, Samsung is rounding off those sharp ultra corners and moving towards the camera island look. Some people love the clean, cohesive vibe that matches the rest of the S26 lineup. Others, they think that Ultra just lost its identity and now looks much like the budget A-series phones. It's a love or a hate situation. With charging appearing and certification clearing, the late January reveal is looking very real. Samsung is gearing up to head-to-head with the iPhone 17 earlier than we expected. So guys, what do you think about the 60-watt fast charging which is going to be coming? A cleaner, new rounded design, enough to make an upgrade, or should Samsung has gone even bigger? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.